Want to trigger workflows in Pabbly when someone messages you on WhatsApp or Telegram? Jetapi makes it simple. Let's set it up. Open an existing workflow in Pabbly or create a new one. As the trigger, choose Webhook by Pabbly, not any other webhook type. Copy the webhook URL and click Capture Webhook Response, so Pabbly starts listening. Next, we'll connect this webhook to Jetapi. If you haven't already, go to jetapi.io and create your free account. Then authorize the channels you want to use. For WhatsApp, scan the QR code and wait until chats are fully synced. Don't close the app too early. For Telegram, enter your phone number, then the verification code you receive. Add your 2FA password if required. In Jetapi, go to Settings Arrow Webhooks and click Add. Paste the webhook URL from Pabbly, then choose the message types you want to receive. WhatsApp incoming messages, Telegram, TD-lib, incoming messages. Click Create to activate the webhook. Jetapi sends a full JSON payload with all the details. Text, the message content. Sender _phone number for WhatsApp. Username for Telegram, if available. Direction lets you filter between incoming and outgoing messages. You can use this data in your workflow. Store it, reply, or trigger actions. Try Jetapi free at jetapi.io. Works perfectly with Pabbly and other no-code platforms.